We go to the third question. Construct triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 6.2 centimeter. Angle ACB is 50 degrees. AB plus AC equal to 9.8 centimeter. First we need to draw the rough figure. So we draw the rough figure of a triangle. Okay, the triangle is drawn. Now let us see what will be the base. It is BC. BC is 6.2 centimeter. But now you notice that the angle which is given is angle C. So if I mark here BC, my angle C will be coming here. Okay, so I will want it here. So what I will do is, instead of writing BC, I write this as CB. Whether I write it as BC or CB, it is one and the same. So I write CB equal to 6.2 centimeter. What is angle ACB? It is 50 degrees. So that means this angle here is 50 degree. Also we know that this side, which is the ray of 50 degrees, has to be produced further to a point such that AB plus AC is 9.8 centimeter. So it should be produced to a point, say to the point X, such that this CX now is 9.8 centimeter. So we can write like this: 9.8 centimeter. Okay, now this third vertex here will be A. So we have triangle ABC. Also we have to join X to B. So we will join X to B here. Okay, so now our rough figure is completed. Now we start with the fair figure, where we draw the base first. CB as 6.2 centimeter. Okay, CB is 6.2 centimeter. Now we see the angle here at C. Angle C is 50 degrees. So we keep the protractor at C and measure 50 degree, that is here. We have to draw a ray passing through this point. Okay, so we draw a ray passing through this point. Okay, now the next step is to see what is the sum of the sides, that is 9.8 centimeter. What is the sides? AB plus AC. AB plus AC was given as 9.8 centimeters. So what do? We take the scale. We take a compass or the rounder. Take the measurement of 9.8 centimeter. Right, 9.8 centimeter, and keep it at C and draw an arc cutting this ray. Now once this is done, what we do is join the point where the arc cuts the ray to this vertex B. And then we name this point where the arc is cutting the ray other than the alphabets A, B and C. So say suppose we mark this point or name it as point M. Now what is the next step? To draw the perpendicular bisector of the side BM. So we take the rounder and take a radius more than half of BM and draw an arc above and below the line segment BM. Again, from the vertex M, cut these arcs Okay, once it is cut, now we have to draw a line passing through the point of intersection of the two sets of arcs. So we are drawing the line. Once it is drawn, now what do? This perpendicular bisector cuts this side CM at this point, and this point will be the vertex A. So we can have a triangle ABC, but this triangle is not complete because the side AB is not joined. So we join side AB. So now ABC is the required triangle. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. Each time you can confirm whether your triangle is right by seeing what is given. That is here AB plus AC is 9.8 centimeter. So what do? You take the scale and keep it at AB and find the length. Okay. So here AB is 4.8 centimeter. We look at AC. You see the length here is 5 centimeter. So 5 plus 4.8 is 9.8 centimeter. Therefore, this is right. Therefore, triangle ABC is the required triangle.